up, y'all? It's Life and we're back in this bitch with another video. So today, I will be blow drying and trying to silk press my hair. I'm trying this new blow dryer. I have seen many reviews about the blow dryer from TikTok. This girl has it. She used Revlon, but I couldn't find that one. If y'all hear collars, it's dogs. So I got one from Marshalls for $29 called Gem. And that is why my hair looks crazy, because I just washed it. This did really good. Okay. And it does not hurt. So we're gonna come back when my whole head is blown. Okay, so this is my hair that's dry. And this side is where I didn't part my hair, like I should part it. So let's get on to this side. Alright guys, I just finished blow drying my hair. It is actually pretty dry. Yeah, so I'm going to press it, try to silk press it, and then trim my own ends, which I normally do anyways. But I'll come back to you guys when I start the process. Alright, so yeah, I know it's still the flat iron. So right now I'm about to flat iron my hair. I'm going to use this. And then I have one of these. I'm not plugging it up right now, and this. Okay. I already put some what is it? Heat protectant in my hair. This is what. This one is really nice. Hold on. Oh wait. Put some in my hair. My head is very big. I don't want to hear anything about it in the comments. Okay. These are the parts I'm going to be pressing. Don't put this on. If y'all see me looking over here, I'm looking in a mirror. Okay, I finished flattening my hair. I'm going to go over it with this. I'm going to add a little bit more of this. When I was flattering it, I put a little bit of the silk press infusion on it to kind of get it a little straighter. Yeah, just to show you guys how well I pressed it. I'm going to brush it all back and show you it. It pressed pretty good. It normally does not look this good. So yeah, now I'm going to go over it. Okay, so I finished my hair kind of. It's not getting straight like I want it to be, but it's straight. It's my hair. It's going to get with the way my hair is set up, unless I get it professionally done. But who has time for that? It's not me. So I didn't end up cutting my hair, but I do like the way my hair came out, because even though it's a little poofy, or a lot of poofy, it still is cute. Hold on, let me fix my part. So I can show you guys what my hair looks like. I always, and I mean always, have a side part. Here. Okay. This is the full bag. It is very poofy. I mean, this is the bag. It is very puffy. It is not straight, but it is full. So that is the back. And this concludes my video. I will do a part 2 whenever I get my hair straight. Whenever I accomplish that. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure y'all go get that blow dryer, because that blow dryer was giving what it's supposed to give. And I have another video coming for you guys soon. So stay tuned.